Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, today we're here with the Lexus Sc300. We got the highly anticipated video, the new wheels going on the car today. They're actually already on the car. So let's get right into the video. Here we go. Alright, so little did you guys know, I've had these wheels that are on the car now for about 3 weeks now. And I'm actually made an unboxing as soon as I got them that you guys haven't seen yet. So I'm gonna play that clip right now. You guys are gonna get to see the unboxing, and then you're gonna get to see the big reveal on the Lexus. So let's get right into the unboxing. Here we go. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I do not actually know when you guys are gonna be seeing this. Today is October 21st. If you guys can see that, October 21st is today. The new wheels for the Sc300 came in. One of them came in yesterday, so I opened that one up. It looked good. I could show you that one now, but I'm gonna actually do an unboxing here with the tripod setup on all three of these because this one actually might be damaged. As you can see, the box is bent up right there, ripped right there. That box looks good. This box is ripped. You can kind of see in. So we're gonna get an unboxing of these. So by the time you guys are seeing this, the wheels are actually on the car. This is basically the reveal. And then I'm gonna do the second reveal of them on the car, but this is gonna be in the same video as that. So let me cut them open. You can see the brand, so you may know like what type of style, but you won't be able to tell the wheels. So this is the most damaged box. We're gonna open this one first. Take the protecting out. Show you all the color. Rim doesn't look damaged from here. Let me see if I can get one big reveal and take off both pieces. You guys ready? So I've already seen them because obviously I ordered them, and also I saw the other one. Let me give you guys a closer look. So we close this one up. Bring this one in. Take that off. This one underneath. This back on. So we got the last one to open up. Make sure this is not damaged. So guys, that was the unboxing. And next time you'll be seeing these, is on the car. This is what it looks like now on October 21st, 2020. And you're looking at this wheel right now. Here is the new one. Alright guys, so we're here in front of the car right now. We got the wheels on. You guys haven't seen them yet. You see a quick peek right there. And here we go. You just saw a little bit more. I drove the car here, so clearly I've seen the wheels on. This isn't like a reveal to me.
No, you saw the wheels on?
3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so as you guys just saw, we got the odd Han. I believe they're the DS02s. I'll link them down below. This is the bronze and like polished colorway or brushed colorway. I'll link them down below. Check them out. I got the Toyo Extensa tires, just like a kind of a street tire, not really like a drag tire. They're street radials technically, but they're kind of more like a mileage tire. Alright guys, comment down below what you guys think about the wheels. Let me know. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And that's going to do it for today's video, and peace.